Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where we make tech simple and practical for everyone. Thinking about deleting your Snapchat account but don't know where to start? Today I'll show you how to permanently delete your Snapchat account step by step. Step 1. Open Profile Settings. Open the Snapchat app and tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Then tap the settings icon to access your account options. Step 2. Find Delete option, scroll all the way down in Settings. Tap Delete Account to begin the process. Step 3. Verify your account. Enter your username and password to confirm your identity. This step ensures your account is protected before deletion. Before we dive further, hit that subscribe button to stay ahead with the latest tech tips and tricks. Step 4. Confirm Deletion tap. Continue to deactivate your account. Your account will now enter a 30-day deactivation period. Step 5. Reactivation option. If you change your mind, simply log back in within 30 days. After 30 days, your account and all data will be permanently deleted. And that's it. Now you know how to delete your Snapchat account safely and completely. Make sure you're certain before the 30-day window ends. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more smart step-by-step tech tutorials every day.